Yes, gents, bang bang rail. Just had a good workout. Just got to do a little bit more. A few features. Nice bit of weight this. Nice bit of weight. It's heavy, man. This ain't like I do 8s to 10s, yeah. But I do 3 to 4 sets, yeah. Let me go on this. See how you go. This time with benching, with flies and with shrugs. Let's go. Wow, man, that's heavy. That's heavy. Woo! I put the other 2.5s on. It ain't a little breather, mate. Couple of minutes. Woo! After the bench and the flies. And the more bench, and the more flies, and then doing this, and I also done shrugs. It's quite hard, yeah? After this, I'm gonna do some triceps. I'll try and get you on the triceps if I can. Woo! Let's go again. 8s this time, I think. Woo! 1. Woo! Wow, man, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy heavy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And that ain't nice, man. That ain't nice. Oh, feel it, man. Feel it on your deltoids, your biceps, even the triceps. You're lowering it down there. You can't lower it down too fast, or you lose it, yeah? Woo! This set 8, yeah? Oh, mate, that was hard. That was terrible. Wow, that's hard. That's hard. These preachers are so hard, man. Oh, biceps, mate. Oh, feel it, mate. Woo. This last one here, yeah, I'm going to try and do 9, and if I've got 10, I'll do 10, but 10 might be too much, yeah. Whew. Let's go. Let's go for this. Whew. Whew. Hey. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I ain't got 10. I ain't got 10, mate. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Oh. Ah. Ooh. Oh. That ain't easy. Man, that ain't easy. Oh. Wow, man. That's terrible. Whew. Oh, that's terrible, man. That's really terrible, not easy. Aye. Oh. Okay, tomorrow I'll do the triceps. I might show you how to do the triceps. After I finish the curls, do the triceps. I'll do a single arm curl, and then I go on the ball, do 2 or 3s on the ball. I might start on the bags already so soon. Take care, nice one, boy.